Hi everyone, welcome back. Today let's have some more sums on quadratic equation. Look at the first question. Rupees 250 is equally divided among certain number of children. If there were 25 children more, each would have received 50 paise less. Find the number of children. So here it is given that we have an amount of 250 and that should be divided equally among certain number of children. We don't know how many children are there. So let's consider the number of children be x. Let the number of children be x. So the amount, total amount is 250. Total amount to be divided is equal to rupees 250. If there were 25 children more, each would have received 50 paise less. So first let's find out how much amount each child will be getting. The amount received by each child is equal to, so here we have total 250 rupees and the number of children are x. So the amount received by each child is 250 by x. Look at the second part of the question. If there were 25 children more, that means the number of students are increased by 25. Then each child would have received 50 paise less. The difference in amount received by each child is 50 paise. So when the number of children increases by 25, what is the amount received by each child? When the number changes to x plus 25, the amount received by each child also changes. Therefore, the amount received by each child is 250 by x plus 25. When there were x number of children, the amount received by each child is 250 by x, and when there were x plus 25 children, then the amount received by each child is 250 by x plus 25. When there were x number of children, the amount received by one child is 250 by x, and when there were x plus 25 children, the amount received by each child is 250 by x plus 25. And it is given that when the number increases, the difference in the amount is 50 paise. That means 250 by x minus 250 by x plus 25 is equal to 50 by 100. This is given in rupees, 50 by 100. Let's simplify this. This is 250 by x minus 250 by x plus 25 is equal to 1 by 2. On taking LCM, this will be x plus 25 into x. Upon this, 250 into x plus 25 minus 250x is equal to 1 by 2. On further simplification, 250x plus 250 into 25 minus 250x divided by x square plus 25x is equal to 1 by 2. Again, on further simplification, this is minus 250 plus 250 get cancels. This will be x square plus 25x is equal to 250 into 25 into 2. And that's same as x square plus 25x is equal to 12,500. On multiplying these three terms, we get this as 12,500. And that's equal to x square plus 25x minus 12,500 is equal to 0. This is in the form of a quadratic equation. Now we need to find the value of x by factorizing this minus 12,500. Find two terms such that the product is minus 12,500 and the sum is plus 25x. And that's same as x square plus 125x minus 100x minus 12,500 is equal to 0. So x into x plus 125 minus 100 into x plus 125 is equal to 0. or x plus 125 into x minus 100 is equal to 0. By zero product rule, x plus 125 is 0 or x minus 100 is 0. So when you simplify, this will be x is equal to minus 125, and here in the second term, this will be x is equal to 100. So we can consider x is equal to 100 since the number of children cannot be a negative number. Therefore, the number of children is equal to 100. Look at the next question. The total cost price of certain number of identical articles is rupees 4,800. By selling the articles at rupees 100 each, a profit equal to the cost price of 15 articles is made. Find the number of articles bought. So here the question says that there are x number of identical articles. We don't know the number of articles, so let's consider it as x. Let the number of articles be x. So the number of articles are x and the total cost is equal to rupees 4,800. 4,800 is the total cost. Therefore, the cost of each article is equal to 4,800 by x. Now, by selling the articles at rupees 100 each, if each article is sold by rupees 100, so selling price of one article is 100 rupees. Selling price of x articles. Total number of articles here is given as x. Therefore, the selling price of x articles is equal to 100 into x. Since the selling price of one article is 100 and we have x number of articles. Therefore, the total selling price is 100x and the total cost price is 4,800. Now, it is given that by selling the articles at rupees 100 each, a profit equal to the cost price of 15 articles is made. That means we are getting a profit. What is the profit? Selling price minus cost price. What is the selling price here? For x articles, the selling price is 100x minus the cost price is 4,800. That is equal to, this is the profit, and the profit equal to the cost price of 15 articles. So what is the cost price of one article? That is 4,800 by x. Therefore, the cost price of 15 articles is equal to 15 into cost price of one article, that is 4,800 by x. This is what the second condition. Now we need to simplify this and bring it into the standard form of the quadratic equation, and we can find the value of x, that is the number of articles. That is 100x minus 4,800 is equal to 15 into 4,800 by x. Now let's divide the entire expression by 100. We'll get this as x minus 48 is equal to 15 into 48 divided by x. Now on cross multiplication, we will get this as x square minus 48x is equal to 15 into 48, and that's same as 720. So bring it into the standard form. We will get this as x square minus 48x minus 720 is equal to 0. Here the product is minus 720 and the sum is minus 48. When we divide this 720 into two parts, minus 720 into two parts, we will get this as 60 and 12. So 60 into 12 is 720. Since the sum is negative, the greater number is negative, and plus 12. So we can write this as x square minus 60x plus 12x minus 720 is equal to 0. So this is, on taking x outside from the first part, x into x minus 60 plus 12 into x minus 60 is equal to 0. So x minus 60 into x plus 12 is equal to 0. This implies either x minus 60 is equal to 0 or x plus 12 is equal to 0. X minus 60 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to 60, and x plus 12 is equal to 0 implies x is equal to minus 12. Here we cannot consider x is equal to minus 12 since it is a number of articles. Therefore, the number of articles is 60. Number of articles is equal to 60. This is what we have to find. Find the number of articles bought. Look at the next question. Rupees 480 is equally divided among x children. If the number of children were 20 more, each would have got rupees 12 less. Find x. Here it is given that the number of children are x. Number of children is equal to x and the amount is rupees 480. If the number of children were 20 more, number changes to x plus 20. If this becomes x plus 20, then each child would have got rupees 12 less. So here, when the number of children are x and the amount is 480, the amount received by each child, the amount received by each child is equal to 480 by x. When the number of children are x, then the amount received by each child is 480 by x. When the number increases to x plus 20, the amount received is equal to 480 by x plus 20. And it is given that when the number increases to x plus 20, there was a difference of 12 rupees. Each child got 12 rupees less. So when we write this in the equation form, we will get this as 480 by x minus 480 by x plus 20 is equal to 12. So 480 by x minus 480 by x plus 20 is equal to 12. Now let's bring it into the standard form of the quadratic equation. We will get this as x into x plus 20. The denominator is x into x plus 20. Upon that, 480 into x plus 20 minus 480x is equal to 12. Here on simplification, 480x plus 480 into 20 minus 480 is equal to 12 into x square plus 20x. Divide this minus 480x and plus 480x. This will be 480 into 20 is equal to 12x square plus 20x. Dividing by 12 on both the sides, this is 40. On cancelling both the sides by 12, we will get this as x square plus 20x is equal to 40 into 20, that is 800, or x square plus 20x minus 800 is equal to 0. And this is x square plus 20x minus 800 is equal to 0. Here the product is minus 800 and we need to split minus 800 into two terms. This will be 40 and 20. Here plus 40 and minus 20, since the sum is positive here. So the difference is 20 and the product is minus 800. So let's write this as x square plus 40x minus 20x minus 800 is equal to 0. Or x into x plus 40 minus 20 into x plus 40 is equal to 0. Here minus 20 we are taking common. So this terms become positive. So x plus 40 into x minus 20 is equal to 0. This implies either x plus 40 is 0 or x minus 20 is 0. Here when x plus 40 is 0, x is equal to minus 40, and when x plus 20 is 0, this becomes x is equal to plus 20. And here x cannot be negative since it is the number of children. Therefore, x is equal to 20. We can write that the number of children is equal to 20. That is what we have to find. Now this question is for you. A trader buys X articles for a total cost of rupees 600. Write down the cost of one article in terms of X. If the cost per article were rupees 5 more, the number of articles that can be bought for rupees 600 each would be 4 less. Write down the equation in X for the above situation and solve it for X. Solve it and let me know the answer. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class with a new topic. Thank you.